Toru te kau ōrau o ngā kaumoana o te taua moana o te motu he wāhine, he Māori te hauwhā o ērā wāhine. Toko toru ngā wāhine Māori ke taumata ana i roto i te taua moana. I whai wāhi hoki ki te kaipuke Manawanui. I kōreroa Mike Ackroyd ki a rātou i tana pūrongo whakamutunga mā te karere.
Me ua ka kite i te wāhine i te taua moana. Ka mutu wāhine Māori.
I kuhu mai au i te taua moana, I muri mai te kura i te tau 2012. Originally I wanted to join the Navy. It was kind of a discussion between my friend group at school actually. And that's how it first came up. And growing up on the East Coast, obviously surrounded by lots of beaches and taking part in things like swimming and surf lifesaving, I've always had a love for the ocean.
Ko te mahia Anita Berry o ngā ruahine, he whakaki I ngā kāpata o te waka.
We order everything from toilet paper to ammunition.
Ko Deanne Reid, ngā puhi Ngāti Maniapoto, te kai meke wainga toa o Aotearoa anō hoki.
Using all the equipment and sensors that we have on board, radars and such, we use that to provide a picture for command so that they're able to make decisions on what we're doing, where we're going.
Ko Āwei Kingi Miki, ngai tūhoi Ngāti Hine, he kai kauhoi mō Aotearoa I tāna tipuranga mai.
I hono tuatahi mai au he communications warfare specialist, engari kua whakawhitio I taku tūranga, I nāianei he warfare officer. Ko tā mātou mahi tino nui ko te ārahi I a mātou waka.
E ai ki tēnei tokotoru he rawe ngā āheitanga o te taua moana.
When we were able to go earlier this year to help with the flooding in Napier, that was probably one of the highlights of my career, is being able to support our people down there.
Going home on HMNZS Aotearoa and birthing in New Plymouth. From somewhere like Taranaki, your family don't really see the Navy, so pretty cool to go home on ship.
We did a 6-month deployment around Southeast Asia. That was unreal, amazing. We visited 10 countries in that 6 months.
He oi he ua I ētahi wānō ki runga I te moana.
I have a 5-year-old son, Taiaha, and this is my second ship that I've had to be away from him on. That's probably the hardest thing.
He oi, ko tō rātou whānau ngā kai whakakipa I a rātou.
When you go out in your uniform or you're going to any event and you're in your uniform, you can see how proud your family are of you, and I guess that's a pretty good reminder for me.
You come home from a trip and you have a welcome home, and your whānau are there on the wharf waiting for you, and doing that haka when you come into them and then watching you, it's a pretty surreal moment, I guess.
Ka tū rātou hei wahine Māori, ka ora ai te iwi. Mike Ackroyd, te karere.